sun is out and the temperatures are getting warmer every day, so summer is here at Tremblant. We're going for a bike ride today and we'll tell you what's happening for the May 31st weekend. So once again this weekend we have a wide variety of outdoor activity on the mountain, in the village and on the lake. We also have several indoor activities, so there's definitely something to have fun all day. This Sunday, June 1st, is the Mont-Tremblant Citizen Day, so we invite all the citizens to come and enjoy a free access to the panoramic gondola, the summer skiing and summer tubing. All you need to do is show us your accès or expérience card to enjoy it. So we invite you all to take advantage of everything Tremblant has to offer. Have a great weekend!